Here's a question from one of our viewers. I built a shed with gussets, and even though I don't recommend this type of construction, the individual wanted to know how you could extend the fascia board. And I think by the time you're done watching this, you should have a pretty good idea. And I don't remember if I blocked the ridge, but you're going to need blocks for the ridge also. And since we don't need a gusset over here, we can just simply extend a board past, like a ridge board, in conventional framing. And don't forget that this board will need to be a little bit lower. You're not going to have it go all the way to the top unless you shape the top of the block. Just keep in mind that this is a more common method used because it's faster and easier. And of course, a bottom view of that there where the gable stud is going to be supporting the ridge board. And in this video here, we're using 2x4 rafters. If you're going to use larger rafters, you might need a larger ridge board. I'll leave that one up to you also. And like I said, this is pretty much self-explanatory if you have a basic idea of construction. And of course, our lookouts here, they are usually going to be spaced 32 inches on center and then notch into this board here and then notch into the gable rafter. And there are other ways to do this. This is the only one that I am selecting for this video. So let's go ahead and start wrapping this video up with our last view of the video. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.